Loose the screw counterclockwise with 2 mm Allen wrench with one hand. Hold the needle with the long nose plier with another hand. Pull out the broken needle. This is the back of the needle. This is the front of the needle. The front of the needle should be facing you. How to install the needle? Hold a new needle using the long nose plier. Pass the needle through the presser foot hole before inserting it into the hole. Tighten the screw clockwise with 2 mm Allen wrench. Tips: the direction of the needle is now fully forward. Turn the screw end. Use tweezers to hold the needle. Turn 20 degrees to the right. Retighten the screws. The direction of the needle is a little to the right. How to reinstall parts if you accidentally removed it. 3 accessories removed: needle clamp, O-ring, small screw. We need 2 mm Allen wrench. When installing, you will see 2 holes. Focus on the lower one. Prepare the small screws first. Raise the presser foot by hand, and then install the O-ring. Install the needle clamp and determine the position. Secure it with your hands, then install the screws.